just a little while. They're your responsibility. So you want to give them the best protection possible. At Erie Insurance, we've been providing superior protection at competitive rates since 1925. Auto insurance, home and business insurance, life insurance. Erie Insurance. All the security your family will ever need. Mantooth Insurance is your independent Erie agent in Plainfield. Call them today. You never forget that feeling. The feeling you get when you buy a new car. Maybe it's the pride of owning something really significant, a reward for all of your hard work. At Erie Insurance, we can help protect the car of your dreams. And if you're a good driver, your Erie agent may be able to save you money. The Erie, above all in service since 1925. Mantooth Insurance is your independent Erie agent in Plainfield. Call them today.